Okay. So we're almost done bash. We didn't make install. Now we have to execute bin bash login plus h. Good. It says run the newly compiled bash program, replacing the one that is currently being executed. Okay. With the BC. Stands for basic calculator, I do believe. But it contains an arbitrary precision numeric processing language. It is powerful. But maybe I'm just thinking too much into it. But BC, from what I remember, it's just a basic calculator, but it's full of goodies. With read line. Actually, BC is relatively new to LFS, I think, up to 7.3, I think it started putting BC in there. Info dir equals user share info. May have been because make install, because I do remember having to download BC for something, for a dependency. I think it was I think it was 7.5 they started putting it in. So I think I had to download BC for 7.3. I'm not sure. Not sure. BC is done. Loop tool. And you say configure prefix equals user make, and make install. Yeah, look at that test suite. 11 SBUs. Huge. Okay, it says it's going to be 2 SBUs, so it's around there, I guess. Nope. We're done. Move. Loop tool. GDB. Configure prefix equals user and screw that up. Enable lib GDB m compat and make install. I could go back in my history and just find configure prefix equals user. Maybe I'll do that, because there are some that just say that. As far as how many goes, I don't really remember off the top of my head, but I do know the great majority of them are, what do you call it, are doctors and everything else like that. So, where we at? expat. GDBM is done. To expat. say history grep4 config 519. That's a weird number for me to remember. Figure less. We don't have less. Do we have more? Probably not. No, we do have more. 44. 44 is okay for me to remember. I can remember 44. So say bang 44. Okay. So now all we have to do really is just install the documentation, and we can move on. It says less than one SBO. So, trying to blow off my laptop. It looks ugly. Got an old beater, old Presario CQ56 HP compact thing. Install Verbose. Create directories didn't needed, and 755 user share doc expat 2.1.0. doc all dot HTMLs PNG CSS to user share doc expat. Okay. Move expat. Sorry, XVF. iNet utils. Ooh, iNet. Okay, first here we have to define path proc net dev. Let's see, double proc net dev. Jump out into if config system linux.h. Okay. Go on configure prefix equals user local state dir equals var disable logger disable who is disable servers k 0.4 is views. Let's see, make install. Okay, I'm gonna cut this here 6.41 and I'll see you in the next one.